Okay, so I just found out to jump to a section on your website using Google Sites. Just found out how to do it accidentally. So there's my site, pricing, click on it, and it jumps. It reloads, then jumps to the section. It's ain't a beautiful scrolling effect, but there you go, it's something. So how did I do it? Basically, if you go on your site, any where there's a place where there's a heading, there's a little link next to it. So what I did is I copied the pricing one, which is what I'm calling pricing because it's the pricing section. I just went to the link. None of the others I've got it because I haven't got them set up as headers, headers, heading sections, whatever. So you just click on that, it copies it. You come into pages, click plus. Well, you don't click plus, just hover over plus, and then I put new menu section. I think it was no new link. I suppose you could do menu section as well, but link works. So I'll just put pricing, put the link, and then unclick open new tab. Done. So now I've got two. So I'll just publish that. Might take a little second for it to load on the server. There you go. Pricing. Okay. I think that's good, useful, and easy to do.